Okay, take one, sky flying. Take two, sky flying. Sky, say hello. Look at the camera. Ooh. Oh, poor little birdie girl. Oh, you little perfect. Do something this time. Do something this time, Sky. Ooh. I'm gonna take her out. Watch me take her out. To all my viewers out there, this is Sky. She's a parakeet. Oh, she doesn't like this much. She's really bitey sometimes. She likes to sit on top of her cage, and this is where she hides, right over here behind her cage. She likes looking behind her cage and hiding. Watch her. No, she's gonna climb up now. Oh, she doesn't like being on the camera, does she? 10 minutes later. No, just joking. Here. Watch her fly. Kinda. Woo! Well, let's put her by the camera. Sky, be nice. Be nice. Look at her wings. Look how pretty. She's the prettiest color I've ever seen. Shut up, Eric. She's very light blue colored with not many stripes, and she's like gray, and she's so pretty. I've had her for years now. We were confused if she was female or male for a while. Ooh. This does. Aw, look how cute she is. Her little gray irises, little things. She's biting my mom's lip.
She's cute.
Ew.
Hello.
It's funny though.
Pretty girl.
Pretty girl.
Smile.
She doesn't like being held anymore.
Oh, there she goes. Alright. Okay,
Oh well, good night, Sky.
Mwah.
Oh, me and my little birdie. And you gotta put her away. She bit. Okay. Look at the mess she made in her cage.
I changed it once already too.
She loves her bell. That's her bell. I made that little thing for her for, I think it was Christmas or was it her birthday? I'm not sure. Hello, pretty little Jay.
You gonna show off for us?
It's a video of a blue jay.
Oh, someone's fluffing. Here, get it. Go ahead.
Oh, there's another blue jay up there.
That looks like the female.
Another
the one here.
blue
It's got
jay.
the gray in.
And here's a robin right here. Not that robin's already interesting compared to the blue jays.
It's like attention. Look.
It's like it reminds me of my parakeet kind of.
Right.
It's scared, but yet it stays
talking,
close.
Yeah. Hello.
It's not as loud as my parakeet. My parakeet squawks when we get too close. Isn't that a pretty picture right there? Beep, beep, beep. That's interesting.
Sing. Uh-oh. That's pretty, that one. Uh-oh. Look how pretty.
I don't see what. Why did you call blue jays mean, Mom?
What?
Why did you say they were mean?
Oh.
What's so mean?
No, they're, I guess aggressive or something.
Whatever. Cardinal.
Oh, he's got blueberries.
Hello, pretty cardinal. Oh crap, the battery's dead.
It's going in circles. Is it male, female? Oh, it's a female, Haley, because she's...
That noise again. Thank you. Make that noise again. Pretty eagle.
Somebody was showing up here.
Come on. Before my camera dies. Oh well. Hello. Hello. Aw, so cute. Are they? Can you see them? There they are. Look at the baby bird. Guys, watch out! There's a bird going under your car. It's one of those baby birds we hit in our nest. That's so cute. Yeah, it came out of the little bush we have. And I think it's going towards. Oh no! It's under the car. How cute. I'm taking a video. Trying to get the birdie away from here. Bye, birdie.
3/4 the way around, 270 degrees. They have 14 vertebrae back here, we only have 7. So nature made them so that they can do that because they don't move their eyes like we do. Their eyes are straight, they just forward is what they can see. Yeah. So she's an eastern screech owl.
Not kingfisher. It's a rockhopper penguin. It's a freaking rockhopper. You're supposed to be military.
Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin!
You ever seen a penguin come to tea? Take a look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguin! Penguin!
Action! Begin, left wing. Right wing. Up wing. Right wing.
Head.
Head up.